Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and today I'm going to show you our newest shortcut quilt called Jelly Roll Ripples. All you need is one Moda jelly roll and one solid Bella Junior jelly roll. We're going to combine all that and come up with something very similar to a log cabin, courthouse steps, same type of assembly, and it's going to give you this beautiful quilt you see behind me. Go to the Fat Quarter Shop's free pattern page and download the Jelly Roll Ripples pattern and follow along with me. So I'm going to show you how to put together the Jelly Roll Ripple block, and when you're at home, if you chain piece, this is all going to go together really fast. First you take a D and G square, sew it together and press, and then to the bottom you're going to add a fabric C rectangle. That's going to look like this. Then you're going to add a fabric F to the left side, sew it together and press, and that's going to look like this. Then you're going to keep adding and add your fabric E, and that is going to look like this. And so you can see at home, super easy, super quick chain piece. Then you're going to add a fabric B to the left side and press. It's going to look like this. Then add your fabric A's to the top and bottom, and as you're piecing, just make sure you keep everything going the same direction. And that is going to look like this. Then to the right side, you're going to piece a fabric A rectangle and a fabric G square and press those together. And then you just put it all together, and here is your block, and it is done so quick. Now that your blocks were super simple, let's piece the quilt. You're going to make 7 rows, and each row has 5 blocks. On this quilt, when I was piecing, I used color 2026. It's an artful color that I absolutely love. So first you're going to make 1 row, then you're going to repeat that 6 more times. But when you're putting it together to add the next row, you're going to rotate it. So just pay close attention to your diagrams in your free pattern and get your quilt center put together. After you've put all your quilt center together, you're going to be adding your borders. Add your side borders first, then add your top and bottom borders. So we hope all of our Moda Jelly Roll lovers love this quilt. It's again called Jelly Roll Ripples, free pattern at Fat Quarter Shop, and make sure to join us next time.